guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are having a fantastic day wherever you are. So as you can see, today we are back again with a sit and talk video. This is the perfect time and opportunity for me to make this video without anybody calling me, "Mommy, I want this, Mommy, I want that." The kids are asleep now. It's 25 minutes after 11 p.m. So I think this is the perfect time for me to make this video without any noise and no disturbances. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my old subscribers, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button below to join this channel if you really love or enjoy what you see. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering a few questions on how do I start a YouTube channel, how does YouTube pay, and all of that stuff. And I also want to use this opportunity to say a few things about what some people don't know about being a YouTuber or about YouTubers in general. So I want to, combine these two in this one video. Okay. So lately I've been getting these comments. Some people send me messages on my Instagram asking me, please, how do I start my own YouTube channel? I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've been watching your videos and they have inspired me a lot, and now I want to start my own YouTube channel. And how does YouTube pay? So basically, I have already made a separate video on this, on how to start a successful YouTube channel. I will still leave the link in the description box below so you can go and get the full details on how to start a successful YouTube channel. Please make sure you click that link in the description box below to watch that video. Now, to start a YouTube channel will not take you forever, let me just put it that way. It's just simple and easy. It's just for you to create accounts on YouTube, but I believe most people already have an account. They have created accounts on YouTube, just that they haven't been uploading videos on their page, like on their YouTube channel page. It's just for you to pick up your phone or your camera, film a video, and edit it and upload on YouTube. Now, when it comes to how YouTube pay YouTubers, first of all, when I started my YouTube channel, I never knew, I had no idea that YouTube pay YouTubers. I never knew about that. I started YouTube channel because I was inspired by my fellow Nigerian women. I saw a few of them back then, all Nigerian recipes, African food TV, African food recipe, African food channel, Nigerian cuisines. I saw many of them and I'm like, wow, at least I know how to cook. I have a little idea on how to bake. I can be doing all these things they are doing. I saw it, I was so impressed, I was so inspired, I loved it, and I picked up one of my little phone back then, one Nokia Lumia phone. I picked it up. I started. The first food video I made on my channel was noodles, instant noodles. I started making videos and I was enjoying it. The editing part was even more fun to me. I enjoyed it a lot and I kept on doing it. Every other day I post videos. Whatever I'm cooking in the house, I pick up the phone and start filming it. So that was how I started my own YouTube channel. It's not bad if you are inspired by a YouTuber to start up your own YouTube channel. I believe that this YouTube channel, in fact, it's mainly made or created for stay-at-home moms. Permit me to say this. I think it is meant for stay-at-home moms to keep them busy, because it can be really, really boring staying at home from morning till night without going anywhere. It can be so boring and overwhelming. So I think this is a good step to take if you truly want to be doing something. Now, when I noticed that YouTube does pay YouTubers, I was like, wow, is it possible on earth that you can be doing what you love doing and somebody will be paying you for it? Like, how does that work? I don't even understand it. I was so surprised the day YouTube sent me a letter, an email to join the YouTube partner, and from there I picked up. From there they sent me an email to fill a form on how I am going to get my pay. I was like, how do I go about it? I went to my husband, I showed him the form they sent me to fill, and we were like, are you sure these people are not 419ers? They want to get your bank account to take all your money. That was so funny. But at the same time I was like, but somebody cannot actually take money from your bank account just by giving that person your bank account number. So I said, I must give this thing a try, let me see how this thing works. So I filled the form, I added my bank account details, all the necessary things they asked me to fill. I filled it, and the first pay I received then was 83 euro. That was my first pay. I was jumping up and down. Even as little as that money was then, I was all over the moon. I was like, wow. You know what 83 euros, when you translate it to our Nigerian currency, you know what that means. So I was like, if they are paying me 83 euro every month, that means I'm a big woman for doing just what I love to do. I'm not working for anybody. I just stay in my house, film my food, and YouTube will pay me. It's very interesting. So I kept on, making more videos with the happiness that I am actually being paid for what I love doing. So I dedicated more time in making videos, and people are watching and liking my videos, and I was so surprised, because when I was in Nigeria, I never ever knew that something like this actually exists. I never knew. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you are a stay-at-home mom and you are looking for what to do, just start a YouTube channel. If you have the boldness, if you have the courage, if you have great ideas to share to the world, you can start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a very big platform. It can contain anybody that wants to come in and join the moving train. It's a very beautiful platform. It helps a lot. You can learn so many good things from YouTube. Yes, YouTube is a very wonderful place to be, and plus you are being paid for what you love doing. So that is my answer to that question. I don't know if I have really answered that question correctly, but I believe you've gotten one or two things from this answer that I've given. So please make sure you check that description box if you want to see the whole details, how to create your account, what camera I use, what editing apps I use, because I edit on my phone. I used to edit on my phone, but now I'm editing on a tablet because I want a bigger screen. Now coming to the second part of this video, so many people don't know that this is a work. Creating content on YouTube is actually a full-time work. It's a lot of work. Imagine how you wake up in the morning and you go to your business place where you work. It's just similar to that. So we see this as a full-time job. If you don't already know it today, that being a YouTuber simply means being a worker. Just take it that way. This thing takes a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of effort, a lot of ups and downs. So it's just like the normal work, the normal job we do on a daily basis, but this one is more like what you are doing out of willingness, and you do it when you like. This is the best thing I love about this work. You do it when you like, and yet you are being paid. So it is awesome. If you are looking for something to do, you are a stay-at-home mom, wherever you are, in any part of this world, you've been searching for job for years, you've not seen, and you can handle camera, or you know how to edit, or you have idea on how to edit something on the computer, you can make videos, you have the boldness, I encourage you today to pick up your camera, pick up your phone. It doesn't necessarily have to be an actual camera. You can use your phone, because that's what I started with. You can use your phone, record a video, download one of these apps, and learn how to edit with the app and start uploading videos. With time, YouTube will send you email on how they will start paying you. Now, one thing again you have to bear in mind is that YouTube pays you, like, you don't get a specific amount every month. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Like that 83 euros I got, my first pay, it was very big in my eyes, but today it's more than that. So sometimes it goes to like 1,000 something, sometimes it goes to like 1,500, 400, 600. It doesn't have a specific amount, it just goes up and goes down. So that's one thing you have to bear in mind. If you want to start a YouTube channel today, I encourage you to do that. Just make sure you have something good to share to the world. You have the boldness, because this thing it can really be intimidating sometimes. When you pick up the camera, you have everything you want to say in your head, but once you pick up the camera, you forget everything. It happens to me a lot. You forget all you want to say and you'll be talking blah blah blah. At the end of the day, you see that you are not even making any point at all. So you have to make sure that you have the boldness, you have to make sure that you have all the energy that it takes, because this thing requires much energy to film and to edit and to upload and to edit on the YouTube app itself. It takes a lot of time, a lot of work, a lot of energy. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you think that I've answered your question, let me know in the comment section as well. Or if you are still a bit confused, you can send me a message on Instagram, on Facebook. I'm using Fantastic Favor. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Bye.